Tech, and today I think I'm going to be explaining a little bit about our cutting torch, acetylene. Basically, and everything, what it uses oxygen in one tank we have right here, and with this regulator gauge, and then over here, in the smaller one, is our fuel, and it is our acetylene, which is actually mixed in acetylene. It helps it dissolve and break down in there. At any time, this should not go over 15 psi. If it does, it then becomes volatile, and at that point in time, it can explode. Your oxygen, basically on your regulators, when you set this up, you want to don't go over 25 psi. Don't ever run the tank completely out. It's a lot of things that people don't have to pay attention to. If you run it completely out, fuel can actually leak back into the tank. The pressure gets too low, and then you actually have a explosion. You have an ordnance on your hand. Let's just say that it turn into a bomb, and it will not be perfect. So for basic principles, though, we got the hoses. The red, in this case here, is your flammable. It's basically warning. This goes to your acetylene tank. The green goes to your oxygen. Okay. So when you open these up, you take and open up the oxygen all the way here. All right. Check your pressures. In this case, it looks like sun's in the way there. Looks like we're at 32. There we go. Just got to get it cut down. Now you see how that dropped all the way down? That's not good. So you keep your regulator set. Because when you open it up and you're using the torch, your pressures change. That's about there. Let's see it. Check it out. And that's about right. So, alright, now that you got your oxygen set, you tested it out. And quick test it. When you open these valves right here, your oxygen, when you open that up, it's going to allow the oxygen to come through, open up the top. And that, of course, is going to allow the pressure off the regulator. As you've seen there, it dropped completely down. That means we had to actually turn the regulator and tighten it back up to build pressure. So, for all intents and purposes, close these back up right quick. Alright, now, on to the acetylene. Now this is very important. You do not open this all the way. Most of their thing says no more than a turn and a half. In this case, the regulator is set up. We're just going to crack it open. And you see it automatically jumped up pressure right there. Alright? Now, we're going to do the same thing as we did for the oxygen. We're just going to open it up and test and see where it drops to. And it looks like we're right above 5, say, close to 6 psi. That's actually been in working order, it's in the spec, so we're good to go. Now that you got everything set, you'll make sure you have all the safety equipment you need. You'll see guys that won't wear the gloves and stuff like that. I always wear it on my cutting hand. Sparks hurt, man. Slag. It's hot. They pop. If you catch fire, I don't like my hands like that. So call me Will, call me Weenie, call me Man, I don't care. Safety first. So, in this case in the shop, normally you wear the safety goggles, but I have to take them off for this right here. I think these might fit. Yep, they'll fit, so I mean you gotta take them off. So with that being said, you get your goggles, make sure you got these on. Now there's different levels of protectant. In this case, these little goggles work great if you're working on something like a MIG or a TIG, weld or something. Especially with plasma torch, you're dealing with that. There's different levels, so you just want to make sure that you have the right protection for your eyes for the job you're doing. So, to get these put on, Alright, now, first things first, inspect your cables here, or your lines. I like to keep them back away from me, especially away from the area. Alright, now, I'm going to open up the valve here. Make sure this is all there, good to go. Alright. Use a striker. Now, what you're doing here, once it's open, you're going to make sure your oxygen is open. Now, if you look at the flame, you just want to make sure you got them cones. See how it extends out? You got the different color, kind of looks like a point there. You kick this back to where they just separate. Too much, carbonizing, not enough, they can blow out. So, test your oxygen. Let's kick these back. That looks pretty good. Alright, now once you got it set, you're going to take a look at the metal here. Now I've marked the line on this one here. Good cutters, they won't do that. They'll know what they're doing. Got experience, you won't have to do that. I just did it and everything, so I can easily follow the line here as I'm showing through the video. Basically, you're going to put your torch down on the edge. And at this point in time, you're going to make it come to a cherry red so it just starts to cool. You hear my classmates in the background over there, they're over there messing with a big hot metal. Looks like it's getting about ready. Look at that one, two. And in this case, let me turn this back down. Here we go. There we go. There, better. There we go. And it's starting to pull. You hit the oxygen. You gotta go with it. Now what I just did there going back, that actually is not cutting it, it's melting it. Shouldn't do that there. And that's that. Now, once you're done, you're going to close off. See, that cone on the end, and you need to really adjust that right. that controls the heat, but see how it out and in. So
I just fucking
basically,
I did that one.
turn off the oxygen tank. Alright, and then turn off your acetylene. Alright. Take the goggles here. Now, come over here. Basically do it in a reverse order. So you would start with this one, end with this one when you first start. Go in reverse order. Alright? Make sure it's closed off. Make sure it's closed off here. Clear out your system. Now, you'll notice when you glue out your system, you see how the pressure there drops? Alright, now if you come around and look at the oxygen side here, you see how I still got pressure there? Open it up, lay out your lines. And of course I'm not doing it right. And there you go. This is all bled out. Close them back up. That's pretty much it. A couple quick tips. Be mindful where you're just using your cutting torch at. The mill's really hot. You don't want to lay a hand on it, especially on the table, because it transfers the heat from metal to metal. You can move that, you can take it off. It's still going to be warm and probably hot to the touch right there, so just be careful in everything and be mindful that if you just use that area, it's going to be very hot. As far as using your goggles, like I said, you see people don't use gloves, you'll see people with videos where they don't use them and stuff. It's just preferred. Anytime you're using the cutting torch or welder, you're supposed to wear the proper equipment. Welding clothes and stuff like that. That's just how it is. So, all right. Well, thank you and everything. Hope you liked the video, and stay tuned. We'll have some more coming up later.